Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check, YouTube. So check it out. So I got a package in. I already opened it, as y'all can see. It's from Stylecraft and Gamma. Well, you can't see that, but Stylecraft and Gamma. I opened it because I was really excited about what it was. I'm pretty sure, well, you know, I ain't gonna lie. I know what it is because I opened it and checked it out. But I did that because I was super excited. I should have recorded it, but I didn't. Fact is, I got it here for y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what is in this box. Let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, guys, so check it out. Once again, here's the box, Stylecraft Gamma. Sent your boy a package. Let's go ahead and open this. We can throw this stuff out the box. Move this out the way. Check it out. Check out what we got here. Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? I don't think y'all ready. Give me a drum roll. Someone give me a drum roll. Drum roll. Yeah. Let's get it. So this is what we got inside the box. The Stylecraft Pro Instinct clipper right here. But guess what? That's not everything. That's not everything. We also got the Stylecraft Pro Instinct trimmer. So I don't know if y'all have seen these yet. I know they posted like a quick little video of them like 6 months back. So I've been super excited about them. Maybe you've been super excited about them. I don't know if you have, if you haven't, but we got them in. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these. But before we do that, we're gonna look at the box of the trimmer first. Check it out. The box looks nice. You know what, let me get a thumbnail real quick. All right, so let's get back to looking at this box. So the SC Pro Instinct trimmer, professional vector motor trimmer with intuitive torque control. Let's go ahead and look at the back. Black Diamond Fix X Pro wide blade, skeleton design, 4 hours of cordless runtime, extreme power with an ergonomically designed compact body, comes with the screwdriver, the zero gap setter, some oil, you know what I'm saying? Assembled with a fixed black DLC blade, the one deep tooth cutting blade for the smoothest, crunchiest cutting and sharp lines. Vector motor offers an unmatched 9,500 strokes per minute. Fully adjustable blade, can be zero gapped. Additional housings come with, you know, the different lids on there. Vector motor with intuitive torque control detects resistance and adjusts torque in milliseconds. Let's see, man, I'm interested to see how that works. Lithium ion battery, 4 hours of runtime, 2-hour charge time, super compact and lightweight, has micro USB charging. So let's go ahead and open this up. Woo, she's pretty. She is pretty. Check it out. The Stylecraft Pro Instinct. I like that blue. I like that red too though, man. But I think I like the blue a little better. But before we get into it, let's go ahead and look at the charging base. You know what? Let's get the clipper. That's what y'all here for, the clipper. So here is the clipper. We're gonna take it out of the wrapper. We're about to grab this trimmer for the first time raw. You know what I'm saying? So right now we're grabbing it, it's protected, but we're about to go in raw and get this trimmer. Let's get it. Oh, it feels so good. It feels so good. But check it out, man. Here is the trimmer. As y'all can see, looks a little like Iron Man, like a little chest piece, you know what I'm saying, that Iron Man be having. But check that out. It comes with the zero gap setter on it. Let's go ahead and take this off. Put that to the side. It's pretty small, you know what I'm saying, fits in the palm of your hand. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all. Not too loud, but I've heard quieter trimmers. Sounds kind of like a magnetic motor. But once again, let's check that out. We got the T blade on there, the X Pro blade with the one cutter. Got some nice grooves back here to hold it. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. Let's take out this charging dock, because the charging dock looks nice also. So check it out. This is the charging dock, looks nice. Also comes with 2 extra lids. That's probably gonna take me forever to get out of here.
3 hours later.
So it comes with a black lid also, which also looks nice, you know what I'm saying? I like the black. And then we also got the blue lid that y'all heard me say earlier that I don't know what it is, something about this blue, man. I like that blue. So I'm probably gonna put the blue lid on there, but let's go ahead and put that back in there. Finished looking at what comes in the box. So you already know it comes with a brush, some extra screws, the charging cable. We got the USB cord and a screwdriver. And then we got this. I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know what this is. I'm gonna have to read the manual, I guess. So I probably ain't gonna throw this, but we're gonna put that to the side. Let's go ahead and put this back in the box. So now that we unboxed the trimmer, let's go ahead and move on to the Instinct clipper. Let's read the back. Premium hypoallergenic gold blade, custom click lever, 4 hours of runtime with a charging stand, extreme power with an ergonomically designed compact body, comes with the oil, comes with guards. The Instinct is assembled with a fixed gold titanium vapor blade. So it's got the vapor blade on there. That's tight. I haven't seen a gold vapor blade, so that's pretty dope. Vector motor offers 11,000, I can't even read this number, 11,500 strokes per minute. Fully adjustable blade, can be zero gap. Additional housings, as y'all can see, it comes with the different lids also. Vector motor with intuitive torque control. Lithium ion battery, super contact, blah, blah, blah. I know y'all don't really care about that. Y'all want to see the actual clipper. Let's go ahead and open this, man. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. So here is the packaging for that. And this looks nice also, man. Stylecraft always has nice packaging. So check that out. Let's go ahead and get the clipper out of here. Oh, I'm excited. I ain't gonna lie, I'm excited. Get this out of here. Oh man, she's nice. I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all, man. This is nice. This clipper, and it's a small clipper. Look, check it out. It fits in the palm of my hand. Well, I can't hold it, but look, all right, there we go, right there. Boom. Fits in the palm of my hand. It's different. It's small. I think I kind of like it.
That's what she said.
Professional patented motor. That's what it says on there. It's got a gold vapor blade. Let me turn it on for y'all. Sounds good, sounds good. Let's go ahead and look at what else comes in here. So just like the trimmer, it does come with its own charging stand. Nice charging stand, and it comes with two different lids. So once again, we got the nice black lid, and then we also got the blue lid. Looks nice, huh? All right, let's go ahead and see what else is in here. So it does come with a charging cord, obviously. We have the white magnetic dub guards. As y'all can see, the full set comes with a USB charging cord. Comes with different color levers, stretch bracket with the Filthy Blends mod on there. Screwdriver like always, and then uh-oh, I just ripped that open. And then we got the pamphlet that I ain't gonna look at. But yeah, man, that's basically what we got. So let me go ahead and show y'all the clipper and trimmer together. So here is the clipper and trimmer combo, the Stylecraft Instinct. I'm not gonna lie, I wish they would have either put a gold blade on the trimmer or put the black vapor blade on there just so it could match. I may take this off and put the black one, or I may put the gold one on here. I don't know yet. But other than that, I think it looks good. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this clipper and trimmer down in the comment section. That's basically it for this video, guys. I know y'all used to seeing me give y'all some cuts with it, but I'm gonna save that for another video. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna save that for another video. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this out here as is, just the unboxing of the Instinct clipper and trimmer. I'm not sure what the price is gonna be. I'm gonna have to check on the Stylecraft website, contact Stylecraft and Gamma and see what the price point is gonna be. That way I can let y'all know. But I'm sure if they don't already have it up for pre-order, they will be having it soon. So if you do wanna go ahead and pre-order these, remember to use my discount code TANK10. It's gonna save yourself a little bit of money, you know what I'm saying? But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video, YouTube. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. One more time, here is the Instinct trimmer and clipper. I'm really liking the way it looks. But that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and change the lid on these. We're gonna put the blue lids on it. Let's go. Pretty self-explanatory. Turn it to the back. The screws right there. One right here, one right there, two at the bottom. Same thing with the trimmer, two up here and two down there. That's a long ass screw. All right, so we took the screws out. Go ahead and shimmy this off of there. That's the insides in case you are interested. Check that out. Which one is this? This one? Yeah, yeah. And then we just screw it back in. Pretty easy. Then we put in the bottom screws. All right, there we go. Then we're gonna do the same thing to the trimmer. Take the lid off. And just replace it with the other lid. Then we just put the screws back in. Easy peasy, lemon mother flipping squeezy. There she is.